Symptomatic rabies is 100% fatal, yet totally preventable. Let's dive into this explainer on humanity's stealthiest assassin.
This ancient bug has literally haunted us for over 4 millennia, way before modern medicine could even fight back.
The virus actually looks like a bullet. It's a fittingly lethal shape, perfectly evolved to breach our defenses. See those outer glycoprotein spikes? They act like biological lockpicks, allowing the virus to seamlessly hijack and enter our cells. Once inside, it begins a super stealthy migration, traveling straight from your muscle tissue right up into your brain. By actively suppressing massive inflammation, it stays completely invisible to our immune system. It's a terrifyingly successful adaptation, honestly. Once in the brain, it triggers 2 devastating outcomes: hyperactive furious rabies or a creeping, coma-inducing paralytic state. Surprisingly, hydrophobia isn't a literal fear of water. It's actually agonizing throat spasms that make swallowing completely impossible. Despite all our modern medical advancements, this virus still quietly claims around 59,000 human lives every single year. Tragically, 95% of these fatalities hit resource-limited communities across Asia and Africa. The burden is wildly unequal. The tragic irony here? Man's best friend is the main vector. 99% of human infections stem from dogs. Kids under 15 are especially vulnerable to these bites, mostly due to their shorter stature and fearless curiosity. Once symptoms appear, it's invariably fatal. Even intense experimental treatments, like the famous Milwaukee Protocol, have ultimately failed. But hey, speed is life. Immediate post-exposure prophylaxis with vaccines and antibodies stops the virus before it hits the brain. Our counterattacks have evolved. Modern cell culture vaccines replaced risky nerve tissue formulas, making prevention super safe and highly effective. Armed with these tools, global health organizations have a bold goal: 0 dog-mediated human deaths by 2030. So, with potent vaccines and ongoing molecular research, could we be the generation that finally eradicates this ancient assassin?